Hello, as I previously mentioned in the last video, in this video I'm going to be telling us about covalent compounds, dative covalent compounds, and properties of covalent compounds. Without much ado, how are covalent compounds formed, or how are covalent bonds formed? Covalent bonds are formed by the sharing of electrons contributed equally by each participating atom. For example, the formation of chlorine gas Cl2 is achieved by the covalent combination, that is the equal sharing of electrons of a single electron in the atomos shell of the chlorine atom respectively. So the two of them combine, sharing the atom to form a chlorine molecule Cl2. Then dative covalent compounds. Dative covalent compounds actually are formed when the electrons that are being shared are contributed principally by a single donor. Take for example, in the formation of oxonium ion, hydrogen ion or proton covalently links with a molecule of water having a pair of electrons in its atomos shell, leading to the formation of the oxonium ion H3O. Because of the charged nature of the proton or the hydrogen ion, the oxonium molecule is always having a charge of +1. Other examples of where dative covalent bonds can be found are in the hydration of copper ion. They can be found in the formation of ammonium ion and some other cases. Briefly, let's talk about the properties of covalent compounds. Covalent compounds usually have low melting and boiling points because the molecules are usually volatile. 2. Covalent compounds find themselves being soluble in non-polar solvents like benzene, like acetone, etc. 3. Covalent compounds are usually non-conductors of electricity in any form, whether solid or molten.